What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here with a 2010 Toyota Matrix, and this might apply to other Toyota models, especially Toyota Corolla. If your issue is your overhead light is not working like it should, especially when it's in the door open position and you've checked the bulb, and or it opens with other doors as far as the light coming on, but not with the driver's door, because it's the most, the most used door. You might need to swap out the switch itself, which is this guy here, or the connector might have come loose, inside here. It's not that difficult, so don't panic. All you need is a T30, little T30 Torx. I'll put a link down below where you can get an assortment of Torx wrenches like this, or you can get them at most hardware stores, auto parts stores, big box stores. All right, so take your T30 and remove the fastener that's in the middle right there. All right, and once you remove this guy here, the switch is just right here. Now you need to investigate if your connector has come loose in there. If that's the case and you're wondering how can I get to it, don't worry about it. Just pull this seal out, just pull it away from the door jamb, and you can reach behind it and get to the wiring, and just see if maybe the connector has come loose, and just put it back in place. And also it needs to be grounded. The switch needs to be grounded with the included bolt. So make sure that you put everything back in place, tighten the screw before you make sure the light works or not, because it does need to be grounded to work properly. And I'll put a link down below where you can get this switch. It's a pretty common Toyota door jamb switch. And so yeah, and the light should go out. Notice when it's not touching anything. So just make sure of all that. And if you have to, remove this door seal, just sort of pull it away. It's not that big a deal. Just make sure that it goes back in place properly. Same thing down in here. You have to make sure that it fastens in place all along here. And be aware that some of this plastic is brittle also, so you could crack some of the tabs that are behind there. So just be aware of that. And that's pretty much it. Check out our other videos about this car and tons of other cars on our channel. We're always adding something new, and we have an online store, eBay store, Amazon store. See the social media links in the description of this video if you're into buying specialty parts and tools mainly for power sport vehicles, motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, stuff like that. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later, and look for the thumbnail to pop up right here at the end.